how to fix Instagram video upload quality problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram video upload quality problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So here, always make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data network, because a poor connection can cause Instagram to compress video and lower the quality. And with that being said, moving forward to the step 2, that is to enable the high quality uploads. So here, simply open the Instagram app and go to the profile section. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you have to do is just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you simply have to type in data usage and media quality and tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you have to do is you have to toggle on this option that says upload at highest quality. And with that, you also have to disable this option that says data saver. And here, once you do that, this will ensure Instagram will upload your video in HD when possible. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the Instagram. So here, what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store. And now here, once you are inside the Google Play Store, what you can do is simply search for the Instagram app. And there, if you find the update button, you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the app cache. So here, simply long press on the app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings page, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will fix the temporary glitches that is affecting the video quality. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart the Instagram. So here, what you can do is close the app completely, and after that you can simply reopen it and try uploading your video again in HD. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.